Hello everyone, welcome back to 30 Days of JavaScript. Today we're doing question 3, to be or not to be. Alright, here's the question. To be or not to be. Write a function expect that helps developers test their code. It should take in any value val and return an object with the following two functions. To be val accepts another value and returns true if the two values equal each other. If they're not equal, it should throw an error not equal. Not to be accepts another value and returns true. If the two values do not equal each other, they're equal, it will return true, otherwise it will return an error. Okay, so this is another example of closures, how our inner function scope can access our outer functions variable. So in this case, we're going to do to be, which will take an inner value, and then we must compare whether inner value is equal to our value. And if it is, we are going to return true. Otherwise, we are going to throw an error. They are not equal. All right, and then we need another function called not to be, which will take an inner value once again. We can name it the same as this since these functions have no scope within each other. So this one's very similar to this one, except for our condition is strictly not equal to each other, is when we will return true. Otherwise, we will throw an error. These are equal. And now to make this work, we need to return both of these functions. All right, so this should work. Let's run it. There we go. All of our cases are accepted. Let's submit it. And there we go. We actually got in the top 98% memory usage, 42 millisecond runtime, not bad. Anyways, that's it for part 3 of the 30 Days of JavaScript challenge. Code bit out.